Starved Rock region is one of the first places that grew wheat in the state. And so we wanted to play off of the history of bakeries. And so Millstone is really an homage to baking bread the traditional way.
We make everything from scratch here. All our baked products are hand kneaded, baked in our giant stone oven, and it's made all right here. We use Janie's Mill wheat, which comes from Ashcombe, Illinois.
And so at Janie's Mill, they actually use a millstone, a stone that has little slits in it, and it circulates and grinds all the wheat. Our most popular product is our sourdough. Our sourdough flies off the shelf.
But there's just such a whole range of products, and everybody has their favorite. Some people like the nice Danishes with the rotating flavors every day. Other people come in every day and they order just the morning muffin and they're ready to go. Some people come in just for the chocolate chip cookies. Really has a variety of different little fan clubs throughout the product range that we offer.
We really wanted to contribute to the community, give people a place that they can gather, where they can get fresh bread, and really just be a source of pride for the community.
That spirit of creativity, I think, is really part of what it means to be Illinois made.
It's just going back to the original roots and showcasing what we can do and what our communities can be. Hopefully it gives people inspiration to start their own business and see this and say, hey, I have an idea. I think that could succeed, and go for it.